This is Storm Chaser Aaron J. Jock here for a Storm Chaser food review video in Wisconsin. Ooh, very windy here. In West Allis, Wisconsin, just outside of Milwaukee at the West Allis Cheese and Sausage Shop. So we're here. I just tried to go to Mars's Cheese Castle, but they were closed on Wednesdays. The kitchen was closed. So we were going to check out the West Allis Cheese and Sausage Shop near Milwaukee for grilled cheese sandwich and hopefully a bowl of tomato soup or chili. So I'm really looking forward to maybe get some pickled cheese and candied cheese, stewed cheese, cheese kebabs, see what kind of cheese stuff we can get. Load up on the cheese, probably some cheese curds just so I can hear them squeak. So let's head inside to the West Allis Cheese Shop. Alright, let's head inside here. West Allis Cheese and Sausage Shop. Specialty cheese and deli, cafe entrance, sandwiches, soups. There we go. Looking promising here. Let's head inside here. Sandwich of the month. Holy jalapeno. Breakfast special. The Polish patty melt. God, I wish it was breakfast. Wow, there's a lot of choices. I don't know what to get here. Alright, here's what we got coming. I did the build your own sandwich, grilled cheese sandwich with sourdough bread, American cheese, ham, tomato, avocado, and mayo, and a bowl of chili. Where's it at? Somewhere over here. Soup and salad. Homemade chili bowl. Excuse me. With cheese and sour cream. Just wait for the grilled cheese and chili to arrive here in this beautiful little shop. West Allis Cheese and Sausage Shop. Looks like a popular place for lunch. Even maybe a little shop back here for some charcuterie. Might have to check that out next. Oh, we'll see here. I'm ready to eat a horse. Got my order here, but I had to come check out the little shop here. See what all's in here. Oh yeah, cheese. Lots and lots of cheese. Bloody Mary mix. Wisconsin beer. Lots of sausage. So we've got the food here. I got my specialty, my own grilled cheese sandwich. I chose what I wanted on it, and a bowl of chili with cheese and sour cream here at West Allis Cheese and Sausage Shop. Let's go ahead into the chase vehicle this way and go eat this food before it gets cold here, and it's very cold temperatures here in the teens. Let's go into the car. We are back in the chase vehicle with the food here from the West Allis Cheese and Sausage Company. This one's heavy. This must be soup. Chili. We got chili in here. And then in this one must be my sandwich. So I did the make your own grilled cheese sandwich. And I got grilled cheese on sourdough with ham, avocado, tomato, and mayo. There's the beautiful grilled cheese, ham. Oh, I got jalapenos too. Jalapenos. Oh my gosh. Okay, this looks fantastic. This looks like bread that's been, they buttered the bread and not the pan, so that's good. Let's dive into this thing here. Oh my God, I'm salivating. Here comes the first bite here of the West Allis Cheese and Sausage Company grilled cheese sandwich, designed by myself, not cooked by me. I'm so hungry and excited to eat this. I'm shaking. Okay, here we go. Jalapenos, avocado, tomato, mayo, ham, American cheese. Man, I know how to design a sandwich, I tell you what. Beautiful sourdough bread. Very good bread. Cheese that, man, you can't find cheese like this anywhere else. The nice flavors of cheese complemented by mayo. The kicks of tomato. And then every once in a while, the bite of a beautiful jalapeno. Oh my God. And then on top of it, you got ham. This is incredible. This is an exceptional grilled cheese sandwich right here. I wouldn't even call this a grilled cheese sandwich. This is like next level, beyond grilled cheese, something different, something better. Best cheese in America, they're saying on my live stream right now. Okay. I can't stop. Look at that. It's incredible. Loose jalapeno. God, I hope they gave me napkins. Uh-oh. Alright, we gotta check out this chili. I'm really looking forward to this chili. Oh, there's napkins here. This is good. Come on, chili. Okay, you guys ready for this? Oh. Oh, yes. Okay, let me break open this spoon. Look at that. Let me show you guys the chili while I'm breaking this spoon open. God, my goodness. Okay, you guys ready for this? Oh, meaty, beans, cheese. The sour cream must be in a little container. I can't wait for it though. I gotta eat this. Here we go, first bite of chili. Chili. It just dripped everywhere. This isn't Hormel. Oh my gosh. It's so cheesy. My goodness. Hold on. I'm really glad that Mars's Cheese Castle was closed because this is fantastic. I don't know if Mars is as good as this, but this is great. This is in Milwaukee area, West Allis Cheese and Sausage Company. I'm making a mess here. The food is incredible. Wow. I don't know which to eat, the grilled cheese or the chili. Maybe I need to dip my sandwich in the chili. It's so cheesy, you guys. Okay. I think that's, oh my God, I can't even do the review anymore. I'm just going to eat the rest of this and get on the road. This is fantastic. West Allis Cheese and Sausage Company. I don't even know if it's company. Shop. West Allis Cheese and Sausage Shop in West Allis, Wisconsin, just outside of Milwaukee. Beautiful, sunny at the same time. Wow. All right, you guys, later.